These last 5 days have been
absolute game changer for me.
The whole oneness experience.
I have learned so much about myself.
To overcome your fears in achieving your dreams.
I manifested a trip, a free trip actually, to a destination I've always wanted to go. I manifested a beautiful community with like-minded people who are also powerful manifestors.
I have manifested some new job opportunities, new clients, an improvement in my health, meeting a new friend circle, some potential love interests, and even improving health in my body.
That energy and the feelings and emotions you can't describe in words. This is for the rest of my life.
The Manifestation Challenge was over the top, by far one of the best events that I have ever been a part of, and I can't wait to do it again.
Such love, such positivity, and community of beautiful souls.
Feeling in straight alignment and having several of my manifestations come to light.
Speak differently, I think differently, my confidence is through the roof.
And it's helped me so much, and I've taken my power back, and I'm going to start spreading my messages and helping people and changing the face of the world.
You don't want to miss what the universe has waiting just for you.